This video will teach you how to replace the male and the female quick disconnect on the 2-liter bottle. If you find that the 2-liter bottle is not holding pressure, or the gasket inside the female quick disconnect has gotten lost, or the black ring on the male quick disconnect has become worn or has broken, it is time to replace them. First thing you need to do is follow the yellow hose from the unit and disconnect the metal male quick disconnect from the female on the compressor. Now very slowly turn the white female quick disconnect counterclockwise. This will release the air pressure. Pull the bottle down and you will see a blue water hose. This part is the complete filter assembly. It consists of a blue hose, the filter, the fitting, and the barb. With a very sharp scissor or strong wire cutter, cut the blue hose about 1/2 inch from the fitting. You want to cut beyond this point, which is where the barb is inserted. Cut it straight across, not at an angle. You can now throw away the old filter assembly. Take the old female quick disconnect off the bottle and connect it to the male. Push the hose through, connect the female to the male. Now turn counterclockwise to loosen the male quick disconnect. You can now throw away the old male and the old female quick disconnects. You won't need them anymore. Taking the new male quick disconnect, black ring towards the bottom, insert the cut blue hose through and screw the male quick disconnect into the unit. Make sure it is nice and snug. With your finger, put a little mineral spirits on the barb and insert the barb into the blue hose you have just cut. Make sure it is all the way down to the fitting. The last thing you do is connect the female quick disconnect onto the bottle. Put the blue hose through and connect the female to the male. And that's all there is to it.